Diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith diwrnod 6. Day 6 Navigation. Heddiw, dych chi'n mynd I Segontium, Caer Gors a Llanberis. Today you will be visiting the Roman fort of Segontium on the edge of Caernarfon, Caer Gors, the home of author Kate Roberts, and finishing in Llanberis at Dolbadarn Castle and the Welsh Slate Museum. Caer Rufeinig Segontium, LL 55 2LN. The day starts in Segontium Fort. Explore the site, visiting the exhibition, completing a task about Roman life, and a task about the history of Segontium. There is also the Mabinogi story, the dream of Maxen Wledig, which is set in this area. Amser cinio. Next is a good opportunity to have lunch in Caernarfon town itself, or buy a picnic to enjoy in the hills on the next part of the journey. Gyrwch I Gaer Gors, Rhosgadfan, LL 54 7EY. Leave Caernarfon, driving south on the A487 through Bontnewydd. Just before you arrive in Dinas, turn left towards Rhostryfan and then onto Rhosgadfan. Caer Gors. Inside Caer Gors there are